Okay, today we are going to look at some AI related stocks that are making headlines, including Nvidia and Amazon. So, first headline, Nvidia stock is no longer the S&P 500's top gainer this year. We're going to find out who took that spot. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure to leave me a comment, even if you just leave me a yellow heart today. And also check out my referral links for Weeble and Moomoo, as well as my YouTube channel membership. Now back to the update. Today we're going to dive into Vistra Corp, Nvidia, and how power hungry AI data centers are reshaping the stock market. So here's the scoop. Nvidia was the shining star of the stock market this year, but a new player has emerged and taken that top spot, and it is Vistra Corp, ticker symbol VST. By the numbers, Vista shares are up a whopping 180%. That's just in this year, while Nvidia is up 134%. Now, that is very impressive for both, but this shakeup shows that investors are expanding beyond the semiconductor stocks when looking for AI related growth opportunities. So here's a full list of the top 10 performing stocks in the S&P 500 so far this year. And number 3 on the list, Constellation Energy Corp. We're also going to be touching on that today. So, Vistra in particular is benefiting from increased demand for power capacity in contracts with companies that operate these data centers. So let's talk more about clean energy and AI. Another one of the biggest headlines that we're seeing is that recently Constellation Energy's 20-year deal that they've inked with Microsoft, they're planning to restart a nuclear reactor to help power Microsoft's AI data centers. This isn't just any ordinary deal. This is the future of clean energy and AI coming together. So, as I said, this is a 20-year power purchase agreement with Microsoft. And with AI driving demand for clean megawatts, nuclear energy is seeing a revival. So, according to analysts, Vistra is not just a data center play. They're benefiting from rising power prices as well as potential above market contracts that they may get into with these tech giants. So, this shows how energy stocks are linked to the AI boom that is currently taking place. So, it's a trend that we need to keep our eye on. So, yes, Nvidia has slipped to the number 2 spot when it comes to the biggest mover in the S&P 500 this year so far, but they are definitely a major force when it comes to AI. NVIDIA's chips power the most advanced AI systems in the world, and that demand isn't going anywhere. But as we can see, companies like Vistra are able to benefit in ways that we might not have seen coming. So let's take a quick look at their stock price. Year to date, up 195.25%. Over the last year, up 233.93%. And over the last month, up 32.42%. And let's take a look at Nvidia. So on the day, up 3.97%. At the time of this recording, in the after hours, the stock price is 121.24. Year to date, Nvidia is up 150.92%. Over the last year, up 186.29%. So I think I'm going to do a separate video on some of the other beyond chip sector investments that give you exposure to AI. But there is one other one that I want to touch on today, and that is Amazon. So as we can see here, Amazon has shifted up one spot when it comes to market cap. They have surpassed Google, pushing them down to the 5th spot. So the largest companies ranked by market cap currently are Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, followed by Amazon and now Google. So let's talk about it. Why is Amazon stock a no-brainer artificial intelligent investment? Amazon uses AI in many areas like shopping, ads, as well as deliveries. Amazon's web services, AWS, powers a lot of AI technology, and its revenue grew 19% recently. AWS generates most of Amazon's profits, making it a key part of the business. With AI expanding, AWS is set to grow, making Amazon a strong investment for the long run. So Amazon shares were just up slightly on Tuesday. They underperformed compared to the overall market. This stock has seen recent fluctuations and remains volatile in the current market environment. Amazon's long-term potential, particularly in e-commerce and cloud computing, keeps it a popular choice for investors. So the stock market can be full of surprises, like we saw here with Nvidia losing its top performing spot in the S&P 500. But just keep in mind that we have to be consistent and not let the opportunity of investing pass us by. Stay informed with all of the things that are going on, especially if you invest into these particular companies directly. You can always choose an ETF that gives you exposure to the S&P 500 or the total US stock market, like VTI or VOO, for example. So, the stocks that we talked about today might not be flashy, but that's not what matters. We have to stay the course, do our research, and just focus on building our financial future through incorporating these good, sound investments into our portfolios. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out my referral links for Mumu and Weeble. They will be in the description. Let me know in the comments what AI related stocks you are keeping an eye on. Let's continue to learn, then earn. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.